Hey cleaning family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. And in today's YouTube video, I am going to take you with me to Dallas, Texas. Now, this is the first all-female Spanish-speaking event that I have been a part of and have been working on over the last 6 months. So, of course, I had to bring both of my daughters and my mother along for this trip. So here we are in Dallas, you guys. We are actually at my partner for this event's home in Dallas, Texas. Because she lives close to the venue, everything that we have printed and ordered from Amazon and Vistaprint, we had shipped to her house. So what we're doing now is pretty much getting all the boxes into her truck. That way we can bring them to the venue and start getting ready. Again, these are all of the little knickknacks that we purchased for all the girlies that are going into their gift bags. We have so many cool signs and so much branding that we did for this event. And I am just super proud of how everything came out. Shout out to my editor, shout out to my designer, and of course, shout out to my mother, Raquel and Carla. So now here we are eating some lunch / brunch, really. And of course, we have the beautiful Vinay with us. That's her to the right, and Raquel in the black. So this is our first meal since arriving from LaGuardia Airport in New York City. Now here, my daughters are actually creating all the goodie bags for the attendees that will be showing up to the event. My kids were such a huge help. Of course, we had to stop at Church's Chickens, y'all. And that's my best friend, the beautiful Mila the Hostkeeper, at Mila the Hostkeeper on YouTube and all platforms. This is the Airbnb that my family and Mila got together. Again, Mila is like my best friend, but she really is family. So here we have my room, and then we have Mila's, of course, right next to mine. And then we gave my mother, Jacqueline, the room with the television. She likes to watch her shows. This is one of the bathrooms in this home. Hey guys, that's me. We have the living room again. Nice big old TV, which I don't even know if we turned on, to be honest. But here we go on into the kitchen. I love me a spacious kitchen. Now, this is the girls' room. Of course, my girls got the double bed in their own bathroom. Sabrina and Samantha are my heart. Now, let's go ahead and walk out to this beautiful backyard. Now, this is where we actually came out multiple times to sit, drink coffee, and really just talk as a family about how the event was going and the entire trip of being in Dallas, Texas. What a lovely Airbnb. I'm so blessed to be able to do this with my kids and my best friend. So we are getting ready. Today's Wednesday, the day before the event. We were practicing yesterday, setting up yesterday. Today we're actually going to just run through the speeches, run through the soundboard, run through the slides. This is going to be the final practice, and that's it. Tomorrow is a big day. I'm excited, I'm grateful, I feel blessed, and I can't wait for you guys to see the outcome of the event. This is Carla and Raquel, and then we have Anna, Vlad, my mom, and the other Anna. We had so many people that helped us. We are so grateful to all of our friends, Vinay, Marisol, Anna. I mean, there's so many people that helped. You know, I can't even begin to name every. Of course, my kids went to Buc-ee's, and they actually recorded this for me. Unfortunately, I really did have a lot of work to do, and one day coming early was not enough.
Everything is fresh. One of these.
This is our little Bucky's haul. I met two of my mentees that are from Texas. We have Gus, who brought his boyfriend, and Jamie. Good morning. It is the day of the event, and I am on my way to get my makeup done. It's 5 a.m. on Thursday, and let's see how beat they can make my face. Can you believe we got this many people to come out? So crazy.
Departamento de labor. Ok. Yo entregué a gente 1099. Y yo sé, yo leo los...
night one of the event, and we are about to party with some cleaning business owners, okay, that are coming to see us and hang out from all around. We got Miss Mila, the housekeeper, and we're in Dallas, baby. Let's go. We're closing out day 2 of the event. I'm freaking exhausted, but I'm going to push through. We have Nancy Urdales. Nancy, ¿dónde está Nancy Urdales? Sorry, Nancy.
We all love you.
I love all you guys. Te amo mucho a todos. So, las semanas que estaba pasando, o pasada, yo estaba bien nerviosa para hablar en español.
Vamos a felicitar a y hay que, una paréntesis, hay que darle un aplauso a la mamá que también está aquí. Ella es la señora porque si no fuera con la señora no tuviéramos a Caroline today.
Yeah, thank you, Mom. Thanks for being here at this moment. But you shouldn't talk me Spanish. Then I wouldn't be sweating up here. Say good morning, Mom.
Good morning.
It's the last day in Dallas. We got Miss Mila, the housekeeper, my best friend. I love this woman. She's making us some breakfast.
Leftover barbecue.
Period. I'm looking a hot mess, but that's okay. This is our last day in Dallas. We are all heading out today. We had a good time. It was a lot of work, but it was fun. And we got to meet a lot of cool people. And now we have a new freaking conference to look forward to, which is pretty neat. And yeah, so we're gonna be out of here. It was a complete success. Don't mind my face.
Carolyn did an awesome job with the event. It was amazing.
It was amazing. It was beautiful. It was very awakening.
So many beautiful Spanish women, right? That was
The
crazy.
love and the learning that they took with them. It was. I'm speechless with it.
Yeah, it's a special
So cool,
situation.
guys.
But yes, we had so much fun.
Yeah, it was awesome. We're out, Dallas.
Bye.
We're out.
1-3. Going to Orlando. Please make your way to gate number 3.
The family mother, the family mom. Hurry up, we gotta go right now.